when you enter the room, you immediately have your bed, your one of two beds, and your second one right here. This is two queen room. This is a deluxe studio room. You have two lights above the bed here and some artwork on the wall here. Then you have cute little Minnie here, just sunbathing. You have your Hey Disney and your phone. And then you have a small drawer on top and then a pull-out cabinet style storage space on the bottom. I do want to mention both beds have that under the bed storage space for luggages or anything else. Lights above, and then to the right of the beds you have your balcony. My view admittedly is not that great, but here it is. Kind of in the corner, just in the back. So if you like privacy, this would be a great view for you. Out on the balcony you have two chairs and a little table. I have a leaf on it. And then these blinds pull down with this, they pull up and down with this string. So it's like a tealy color retractable blinds. Okay, to the right of the balcony you have your table and chairs and light and more art. And then your connected room is right here and garbage recycling. Okay, and then you have your kitchenette for the deluxe studio. You just have a kitchenette, so you have your microwave up top and your ice bucket, plates, bowls up there. More storage shelf room with a little light up there. Your plastic and paper utensils, paper cups, and paper towel, toaster. You have, that's where your garbage is for your kitchen. You have your dishwashing, soap, and paper towel. And then you have a fridge here, no freezer space. This is what it looks like. Coffee maker is not a Keurig, just a normal pot. Coffee creamer. And here is a better view of it all. All right, and then directly to behind the kitchenette, you have your closet space. So you have some hangers here, your broom, vacuum, luggage rack, iron board, iron up there, more hangers, and your safe. So here's what it looks like. And then you also have storage space up there. All right, and then walking into the bathroom from the kitchenette and closet, you have your full-length mirror. So when you have the door closed, your full-length mirror. It's pretty big, actually, really big. So like this, it's on the door. Then you have your counter space with your sink and your mirror. You have bath soap, lotion. You only have one sink, tissue area. You have a lot of light in the bathroom, so you have the lights, 3 lights above the mirror, and then also a whole room light that you can turn on and off with these. So you have lots of lighting options. One set of outlets in this room, so right there. And then artwork, toilet. And then you have your bathtub shower. So that's the shower curtain. And then your body wash, shampoo, conditioner, not H2O. And that's your shower head. And you do have a clothes rack for wet clothes. And there we go. The wall is a nice light blue. And then you do have hangers here for towels that you've used or clothes, but then you have your towel rack here behind the door. And you have more hangers behind the door as well. And coming out of the kitchenette and bathroom area, to your left you have your dresser area. So you have 4 decently sized drawers. Go down. And your TV. And space on top for storage or anything you want to put up there next to the door. Okay, so this is definitely a very different layout than pretty much any Disney resort I've ever been in. Normally when you walk in, especially the Deluxe Studio rooms, it's your kitchenette and your bathroom right away and then your beds after, but this one is definitely a very unique layout. So we'll see tonight after I stay and sleep in here how I like it, and I'll let you know. I really enjoyed my stay here. I only stayed here for 1 night, but the functionality of the room was really great. It did feel really big and had like a lot of floor space and storage space in general. I will say that the rooms do feel a little outdated and they could use an update. Like the TV is not a smart TV. The furniture just seems kind of old. So that didn't really bother me too much, but if you're someone that likes an updated room, then this might not be the room for you. I also wanted to say that the bathroom was a little small for one person staying there. It didn't bother me, but I could definitely see how if you're a family, it would seem pretty small. Most of the other DVC resorts have like a separate bathroom area for the toilet and the shower and then like a separate vanity room, but this one does not. It's all in one room, so it was a little small. Overall, I really enjoyed my stay here. The room was functional for me and I really enjoyed the quaintness of it. Old Key West in general was very quaint and I loved the beachy theme, and overall just had a really good time. So thanks for watching and see you next time.